Today I will show you how you can make a 2D animation in Canva. Let's start our video. First of all, you have a story to start a 2D animation video. If you have a story, then it's okay. If you don't have a story, then you can go to this site, that is toolbox.com, and you can write a prompt over there and it will write a complete story. Check out the prompt. I write Moni, a little parrot who is living in a cozy house, very comfortable situation, but he always dream of freedom and enjoy his life with other birds. Write a story of 5 pages with prompt and image idea. In no time, this software write a story for me, Moni's Great Adventure, Introduction to Moni's Home. Then the second page is Moni's Dream of Freedom, The Great Escape, Adventure with New Friends, a New Chapter. Conclusions, Moni's New Dream. Now we will do 2D animation of this story. I will show you only the one page and rest of the story you will complete by yourself. Due to the length of video, I can't complete this story. Let's start with the first image idea. Copy from there and scroll down this one. Come to the magic media. Paste it here. I select this 3D. Select the aspect ratio, scale, landscape and portrait. I will select landscape. Generate image. It will give you 4 options and you will select the one. I selected this one. Expand to the full. This is the Moni's home. Okay. Now let's read. In a quaint little house at the end of a bustling street, there lived a vibrant parrot named Moni. Moni was no ordinary bird. His feathers were beautiful. It's all about the Moni's character and the appearance of the Moni. So I will select or create a parrot, colorful parrot, but I will not create. I will select from the elements. Colorful parrot. From the graphics. I like this one. Now we will select the second image idea, a thought bubble showing Moniz flying high in the sky with other birds, with vibrant clouds and a rainbow in the background. Now we will create this scene by ourselves. Duplicate this page. Now select the speech bubble. This one. Now first we create a scene where Moni flying with other birds in a sky background. This one, animated bird. Now I have selected three birds like this and flip it horizontally. Now moving these birds like animate, create an animation and drag it like this. Now this one as well. This is Moni's dream. In this way you can animate the complete story. Right over there you will write a text. Moni dreaming to fly with other birds like this. Always group the speech bubble with the character like this, and it should be like, in this way you can create your story. Now we give transition like this and select match and move. Now the turn of voiceover, you can Do the voiceover with the AI voiceover. You will go to apps and select the voiceover app. I have only option of four characters, so I write only Moni. You can write up to 2000 word and generate a voiceover. I have used all these before this video, so I have left only Moni. I have left only four characters, so I write over there and generate the voiceover. In this way, you can complete your story and then download in the form of MP4. The video, then hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. We will meet inshallah in next video with a new concept. Thank you.